Hi, friends. Hi, Steve and Marc, and fellow Smokies. I'm here with Ortega
Hi
and
guys,
Sable. Hi.
Sable.
We have a special treat today.
Yes, look what we got in the mail today. Ah!
It's our gift from Steve and Marc and Maire.
Yes, we won, we won, we won, we won.
Sable.
So excited. Well, Sable won. Yeah,
Because look
Sable.
at this face.
Got my trusty dummy, trust handy dandy. Our boss cutters I got from Whole Foods.
We already opened it before the video. We were struggling.
We're struggle bus. Let's open it. Let's do an unboxing.
Is this? What is this? Is this a card? Or is this just a piece of paper?
Probably this paper.
Yeah, probably, because it would. Yeah, they put a card inside. Okay.
Ooh, we got stuff. Rinse-free shampoo pack. Shampoo mittens.
Awesome. Sable's gonna love that.
Yeah, bad.
Bath time.
You stinky. Stinky. What's this? We got time for Sable. Sable's going crazy.
She's gonna love that.
Yay. We got some. We'll order bully sticks. I think they're like rawhide.
Same.
And she got some shamrock cookies. Yay!
Can you smell through the bag?
Something for me. Coffee.
That's definitely yours. I don't do coffee.
Morning walk. That's one of the names of the coffee. Alpha blend.
And I think it all goes and helps animals, I believe.
Every cup helps a cup. Paper and slippers.
That really is the name of it.
Speaking of paper and slippers, ooh, got some socks.
Cute. These are animals too, I believe.
Little doggies on the.
And those will definitely be my socks.
Yes.
They are not going to fit you.
That huge feet. Size 14. We got some more treats, little nibbles. This is something for so Lulu candles. Yes, for me, not for Sable.
No candles for Sable.
See, smell it. It smells so good.
No, you're not a fan. That is pretty.
I love candles. Spend like hours at the department stores sniffing candles rather than shopping.
But Bed Bath & Beyond, or no,
Bath and Body
Bath and Body Works.
Yes. We have give a shit.
Yeah.
What are these? Oh, wow. The little potty picker uppers.
Of course.
Oh,
Nice.
cool name. And we got shamrock cookie.
Is it a human or a dog?
I think it's a dog.
Oh, dogs. It says dogs only. We're not allowed to have this.
For you, Sid.
I love this.
Smokey, Steve and Marc holographic
Sticker?
sticker.
Sticker?
I love it. Let's go to back of his car.
Right?
We love Smokey, Steve and Marc. Support Smokey, Steve and Marc.
Fanboys.
Fanboys. We have Pogs. No Pogs. They're not Pogs.
Who remembers Pogs?
These are coasters. Yay! Good vibes only.
Okay.
Coasters. Yay, coasters.
I think that's their new logo and stuff that they're rolling out with like the new video schedule and things.
Good vibes only. And last but not least, CVS gift card. Woo-hoo!
And CVS and Walgreens are like on every street corner in Chicago, like Starbucks in New York. I think that is everything.
That's everything.
Oh, and Mark's favorite thing, confetti. She's not a fan. She's Steve.
Yay!
Awesome. Well, thank you guys so much, and big thanks to Maire. I know that she did this. I believe it was Blanche. Blanche is the name of her dog. I hope.
Blanche.
I hope I'm not getting that wrong. Um, they both did that. We got sneezy, sneezy. The I got the email today saying that they donated to what place was it?
Pause in Chicago. Pause Chicago.
The $25 gift.
Thank you so much.
And so thank you so much for that. They donated in Staples' name.
Yay.
So thank you for that, Mayor, and thank you, Steve and Marc, for hosting this contest and making the content that you make. Yeah. So we will see you later, guys. Bye. Bye.
Bye.